Are you tired of the limitations of traditional locks and want to be able to configure your lock remotely? Do you want a secure and flexible lock without the need for internet or Wi-Fi connectivity? You want to give someone access to your home for a few hours, days or months, but you don't want to give them a key for obvious reasons. You thought of installing a smart lock, but you don't want the headache of configuring Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, or you don't even have internet connection. You know about locks with user codes, but if you give out your user code, you'll be worried that it will be used later, and you can't travel to the site to change the existing code on the lock. Introducing the Wiz Lock, a patented technology that revolutionizes access control. With the Wiz Lock, you can remotely control and configure your lock without use of the internet and without any wireless connectivity. The Wiz Lock allows you to set different rules based on people's credentials, whether they are guests, repairmen, or cleaning staff. So, how does it work? An administrator or owner uses our app on their mobile phone to set the rules for the lock, or guest, or any user. For example, the owner tells the app that a guest will arrive on a certain date and will be leaving 3 days later. The owner may also issue other commands to the lock. The app generates a code for the particular guest, which the owner can give the guest verbally, by text message or a printed receipt. Since the code is encrypted, the guest does not know what the code means. It's like asking the guest to tell the lock that the chicken crossed the road. This means nothing to the guest, but when this is inputted into the lock deciphers the message into meaningful instructions and executes the desired commands. In our example, at the end of the 3-day period, the guest's chosen password will no longer be valid, and the guest will not be able to enter the premises. A code can be issued to a technician or cleaning staff with restrictions to enter a property once or multiple times. All of this is achieved without using Wi-Fi or the internet, and without physically being present at the lock to change its user code. No more worries about lost or duplicated keys, no more worries about who has your keys or has unauthorized access. The Wiz Lock is simple, quick to install, secure, and flexible. It eliminates the limitations of traditional locks. You can control multiple locks simultaneously with virtual master keys for easy management. The Wiz Lock is scalable, allowing handling of numerous locks in a single site with many doors, such as airports, lockers, warehouses, safes, or containers. The Wiz Lock has advantages for access control in rural sites, such as transformer stations or water pump stations where wireless communication is not available. Not to mention the benefits where physical keys are shared amongst many people. The same unique technology is available on our Wiz Switch. The Wiz Switch enables you to execute commands for target devices or appliances. For example, imagine a building site with assorted equipment such as trucks, tractors, bulldozers, or forklifts. What if you wanted to secure this equipment or limit the usage of it? The Wiz Switch enables you to control the ignition of such vehicles or limit the use of any machinery based on user credentials or a given schedule. This is done without sharing the same key and with each user having its own unique code. With the Wiz Lock or Switch, you have a secure and flexible access control system that gives you complete control over your facilities, equipment, or appliances. Simplicity is just beautiful with the Wiz Lock or Switch.